The Canada Training Credit is a new refundable tax credit available for 2020 and later years to help Canadians with the cost of eligible training fees. It is different from federal tuition amount. Starting in 2019, an eligible individual will be able to accumulate $250 in each year, up to a maximum of $5,000 in a lifetime. You can start to claim the credit in 2020 and the maximum is $500. I will have separate videos about the eligibility, calculation, and how to fill out your tax return. This video is focusing on the difference between Canada Training Credit and the existing federal tuition amount. A rule of thumb, whatever is eligible for federal tuition amount is eligible for Canada Training Credit, except for payments to foreign institutions. Therefore, if you're taking courses from foreign institutions, only claim federal tuition amount. There is no minimum income requirement for federal tuition amount. Canada Training Credit requires earned income greater than $10,000 and less than the top of the third tax bracket in that year. For example, $147,667 in 2019. Earned income includes maternity and parental benefits, and income from an office or employment, business income, the taxable part of scholarship income and research grants, the tax-exempt part of earnings of status Indians, and emergency service volunteers, and income under the Wage Earner Protection Program Act. Therefore, if you are a full-time student without any income during the year, you will not be able to get the Canada Training Credit. The value of Canada Training Credit is greater than federal tuition amount. Each credit equal to $1, but for the federal tuition amount, it is only 15 cents. You may get a little more from your province, depends on where you are. You can only use federal tuition amount to reduce the tax owing to zero because it is a non-refundable tax credit. However, TCP is a refundable credit, which means if your tax owing is less than the eligible Canada Training Credit, you will get refund. If your income is low and you don't need to pay the taxes for 2020, you can still get net refund from CTC. The lifetime limit for Canada Training Credit is $5,000, and there's no limit for federal tuition amount. This is the actual amount you paid for your tuition. Individual can only claim Canada Training Credit between 25 to age of 64. It will expire when taxpayer reaches 65. For post-secondary education, there's no age limit for federal tuition amount. Taxpayer must be 16 years old or older before the end of the year for people enrolled in the educational institution to obtain skills for or improve the skills in an occupation. Therefore, I highly recommend you to use Canada Training Credit first and claim the leftovers as a federal tuition amount because it can be carried forward infinitive and won't expire at all. Canada Training Credit is not transferable. You can transfer up to $5,000 of tuition costs as federal tuition amount to a supporting person each year. Those are the differences between CTC and FTA. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.